Shenzhen Valueplus2 Electronic Company Limited is an integrated technology-based manufacturing enterprise focusing on the R&D production and sales of laser ranging products. The company has a number of patents on laser ranging technology, and its iMeter brand products have formed a series and family mainly including phased laser rangefinder, pulse ranging telescope, triangle ranging, and all kinds of lidar. The products have been widely used in power, security, forestry, surveying, and mapping, communication, hardware, architecture, home decoration, outdoor, hunting, golf, police, and other measurement fields with broad market prospects. At present, the company has R&D centers in Shenzhen and R&D offices in Chengdu. Every year, the company will spend 30% to 50% of its profits on the research and development of new products, which enables the company to launch new products and technologies every year to meet the needs of customers in a timely manner. At present, the company has 40 R&D personnel, which are mainly used for the maintenance of old projects and the development of new projects. In the future, our LiDAR and sweeping robots will gradually face the market. The company has a first-class dust-free workshop, 5,000 square meters of pre-evolution workshop, and professional production management team to ensure that the company's research and development results can be smoothly transformed into products into the market, providing professional services for customers in the field of laser ranging.